everyone, welcome to today's video. So today, as you can see, the weather has been a little bit crazy. It gets very rainy one day and then it gets cold, so that becomes snow and then it melts all over again. Now we're off to Helsinki Center, but before we get there, we're gonna stop at the local supermarket to get one of my favorite treats, and then we're off to the train. Let's go! At this point, we were just having fun with the crazy outfits they had over there. They had pieces from so many decades, from 50s to 80s to 70s, a lot of handmade stuff, a lot of stuff from abroad. And well, you just never know what you're gonna find in a place like that. So, as soon as we left the thrift shop, we realized the alarm was going on in the museum, and then there was a lot of people coming out. Afterwards, we saw the firefighters were coming in, but apparently nobody got hurt. Thank God it wasn't that serious, but who knows what happened. Now let's have some lunch. So, after we came back from Helsinki Center, it was time to leave Santa his letter. Oliver wrote that, so fingers crossed he's gonna get some of his gifts for Christmas. Don't forget, we're soon starting Vlogmas, which is videos every day until Christmas. And I see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!